One is called the Snowball method. And that just simply means if I have several forms of debt, like credit cards and car loans or whatever the case may be, that I start paying off the smaller ones. And once those smaller ones are paid off, I can move on to some of the bigger ones. And so it helps when you're just you really want to just pay off something really quickly. However, sometimes we can deal with what is called the avalanche method. And so we just pay off the highest interest rate first because it's costing us the most. And if we actually take that debt away first, then we're not wasting as much money. We're not paying as much in interest costs. And so that would be a much better situation for us. There's then risk tolerance, which is how comfortable you feel with investing. No one feels comfortable with it, but it's something that needs to happen just to be able to increase your wealth. And at a bare minimum, when we look at the equation for risk, we normally say 3% is the lowest amount of risk or is the lowest return that somebody should look for if they're not willing to take on any risk. And so that's pretty conservative. So if we have a fairly low risk tolerance, we're probably looking at something that's going to average around 3 to 5%. Whereas if we have a higher risk tolerance, we can actually stomach investments that can gain 10 or 15%, but it's going to happen with some volatility. And so that allows us to really have a better understanding of what the risk tolerance is.